In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Magic Layers feature in Canva. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I'm inside Canva. My plan is a free plan and I do have an image here. It's just from Notebook LM. Right here, it's an infographic and I'd like to make some edits to this particular image. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Magic Layers right here, click on it, and it's going to let me upload my media. I'm going to click on upload and select that media and just click on open. And once I do that, it's going to upload. And as you can see, Magic Layer only supports images. At the time of recording this video, I'm just going to click now on Open Editor. Now, once I click on Open Editor, what is going to happen? Magic Layers is going to start happening in the background. As you can see, we've got a purple layer going through the particular image that I just uploaded. What is it doing? It is trying to isolate the layers into individual pieces so that I can easily work on it right there and then. Now, this is more or less like what we have with the Magic Edit, which is a really awesome tool to use. And as you can see, the image split layers into editable layers. So as you can see, we now have a ton of layers to work with right here. So you can see all these things are individual, which is really awesome because clearly you can move, you can change, you can do whatever you want. For example, this one is out of spot. You can move it to the side. You can make edits to the text. You can change to whatever like, and it kind of keeps the font that you had right there. And as you can see, you can change the elements that we have right here for different elements. Let's say from this section, let's say we want to add another one here or add some text. We can do all that right inside here using the Magic Layers feature in Canva. So it's a really handy feature right here. As you can see, it has a ton of things, and now you can now do different animations for this particular image that we've got here. So let's see, Magic Media, what do we have here? Got some 3D, but simply put, that is how you use the Magic Layers feature in Canva to kind of separate all the different elements, the text, the images, into different elements. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.